Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing you my recipe for making chocolatey fudgy flourless brownie cake. This recipe is super easy and it doesn't take many ingredients. It is a perfect recipe for someone who has a gluten allergy. And it's absolutely delicious even if you don't have allergies. So let's check what are the ingredients that you will need. Chocolate chips, heavy cream, butter, eggs, vanilla extract, sugar. Preheat the oven at 325. That's the temperature you need. So first thing we are going to do is add a butter to a bowl, and to this I'm going to add heavy cream. Now I'm using microwave safe bowl because I'm going to put this in the microwave until this is nice and hot and butter is melted. So let's do that first. This cream is nice and hot. Now I'm going to add chocolate chips to this. I'm using 1 cup of the milk chocolate chips and 1 cup of the bittersweet. Now I'm using Granulated, but this is not a promotion. This is what I use. And if you like dark chocolate, you can just simply use dark chocolate, or if you like the milk one more, you can just use milk, but I prefer the combination. So let's go ahead and add the chocolate and mix it until it all dissolves. Now here we are simply making a ganache. You can let it sit for a few seconds so that chocolate melts, and then we'll stir it. After resting it for a few seconds, let's stir it. You will see the chocolate is melted. You just need to mix it all together now. If you see there are some lumps, those are not getting melted, you can put it in the microwave for like just 30 seconds or so and stir it again. Once the chocolate is nice and melted, we'll keep this aside and start beating our eggs. Here I have the eggs. I'm going to add half a tablespoon vanilla to this. Now always coat your eggs with vanilla so that they don't smell. To this I'm going to add sugar and let's start whisking it. Whisk your eggs until they are nice and fluffy. Now it looks like it's a lot of eggs, but egg is what going to hold the body of your brownie cake because there is no flour and you need something to hold that body. So it's fine if it is a lot of eggs. It will be fine. Once you add vanilla, it won't smell eggy. Now that our eggs are nice and airy, we'll start adding them slowly to the ganache and whisk it together. Now that our batter is nicely mixed, we'll keep this aside and get our pans ready. Here I'm using 2 7-inch pan. I put the parchment paper at the bottom and I lightly greased it. Let's pour our batter in. We are going to bake this in the water bath, so let's add some water in. Not too much, just little. Now let's put this in the oven at 325 Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, take out your cakes and you will see they're still jiggly, but that's normal. This is why you don't want to take them out of the pan yet. You want to let them rest and come to the room temperature. You can also put it in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve. I left the cake in the refrigerator for overnight. Now I'm ready to take it out of the mold. All I need is the non-sharp knife because you don't want to damage your pan with the sharp knife, and you just want to separate from the side. Okay, now I'll just open it. Yeah, there you have beautiful cake. I will suggest you to use the spring form mold or cheesecake mold, what you will say, because it will be easier to get the cake out of the pan. It can be little difficult and tricky to get out of the regular pan. This cake is so light, chocolatey and delicious. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.